Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on the mini quilt that we did on our last 12-hour live stream, and I'm quilting this up for one of our winners. Her name is Virgie, so congratulations again, Virgie. And I'm quilting this up for you today. I chose some very neutral, marbly kind of gray backing. Poly for the batting, and I'm hoping it'll be either made into a nice big pillow or just a lovely wall hanging. And this is what I did for the second one, because we did two as we were working across or working away on that 12-hour. And this is how this one turned out. And this was actually a quilt as you go, so maybe the iCard can get put up there if you want to see a link to that video. It's quilt as you go, and it looked really nice on the back. And I just finished hand stitching it, so very nice. All right, so let's get going on this one. It's off the belts, 12 stitches per inch. I'm using white thread, and my kind of goal was to just do a meander with some stars. So let's do the, how far can I go on the border here? Okay, here, so let's start about here and kind of work my way around so you can see it on the border. Okay. Lock those stitches in, move your threads off to the side, and then just be free with your motions. And you know how you did the star when you went to school, you just kind of went up. It was like the triangle, the triangle, the triangle, the triangle, and out you come again. So just do it nice and fun and freeing. And this was Pop's suggestion for the star, so thank you, Pop. Just do little loops and star, and you can have it go any way. The little tail come off some fashion. Oops, had to think about that for a moment. Okay. There we go, beautiful. So now just a little bit of fun to the whole border part, and then we'll put that into the white that's around the quilt blocks. Just want to have fun with it. And we come back over here, do a little loop back in here. We'll just work our way around. Hopefully everybody's having a fantastic week so far. It is smoking hot here. We've had another heat wave thing going on for the past few days. So be happy when it kind of cools down. Just those very easy stars you learned how to make in kindergarten. Looking forward to the weekend for the live stream where we're going to continue working on our new project, which is the crooked courthouse steps. So if you're new to the channel, check us out there. We have a good time. We got lots of people hanging out with us. That was a bit of a wonky star. I may fix that one. Kind of go back up here on this one. I don't want to come down too far, or I'm going to bump the bar with my ruler plate. So let me just go here and we'll end off in the seam. Okay. And then I'm pretty much going to do the same thing as I come around these right here. But first I would like to highlight them just by going around them. Lock those stitches in. My little plexi right up against. Our next 12-hour live stream is on August 22nd, so be sure to join us. Gonna make some strawberry, hopefully we can find rhubarb too, cobbler, fresh. If not, I guess there's always frozen. We haven't made cobbler in a long time. Well, around here anyways. And then we'll do something up for dinner. I'm not sure what yet, but... Okay, move these little threads out of the way. This was the poinsettia block for the mini Q, or mini quilt that we did for the 12 hours. And it's a free pattern from Fat Quarter Shop. This was last year's, I think it's Mary Mini Quilt, or Mini Mary Quilt or something like that. And it was so much fun to do. It really was. And it didn't necessarily always, mean Christmas, right? So, okay, lock those stitches there. Okay. Yeah, and then when we're going to come in and do the meander, I'm not sure, I haven't decided there. I may just come in here. I'll think on that one. And then this one we're just going to go around. Just try and go around the whole snowflake. This was this block number 2, snowflake, and then down here was the house, and over here was the tree, 3 and 4. Super cute, fun project. Come on. Oh, it doesn't like my seam. Oh, there we go. Just a little bit of white sashing in between, and then a little red for the cornerstone. I think it looks lovely. And of course I chose red for my chimney, and I did a different fabric for the center of the house block. And of course, it's completely your option and choice when following patterns. You do what you want. This is a very pretty block too, for sure. Try and stay in the block and not hit the red. That is the goal. And then we had that little tiny red, a tiny border, red border before the white, just to kind of give some definition between these blocks right here and this big chunk of white. That was on next to the snowflakes, and of course the backing to each block, so That was very nice to break it up. It didn't have to be very big. I think we did 1 inch. And especially when you're working with like on a small wall hanging, it doesn't have to be very big. There we go. Snowflake done. And I think I'll probably definitely come in here. So let's just do a little center. Perfect. Awesome. Beautiful. And I'm just going to roll it and continue and stitch around. I think actually I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do this right here, yeah, before I roll it. We thank everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We do really greatly appreciate you here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. The ones that are dedicated to those Long Arm Wednesday shows. There's only a few of you. I wanted to redo that because I just had a bump. Okay, there we go. Now go over across here. Bump was my seam got folded under. Whoa. It's okay, we got it. Perfect. Sorted. Excellent. There we go. So join us on the weekend. Come hang out, chat, don't chat, it's up to you. We love to see you there. If you have any questions about this project, we're going to actually leave a link to the free pattern, hopefully in the Show More. If you're ever looking for more information about videos, always look in the Show More section. We try to put the free pattern to the link in there, or the link to where you can get the free, or something, whatever, to help you out. Okay, saves questions on our end. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and big hugs to you, and we'll see you on the weekend project. We're going to do something special for one of our fans, and she's got 2 little munchkins, and we're just going to make them feel a little bit special. And we'll see you on the weekend, okay, for our live stream. Take care, everybody. Big hugs from us at the Mom Pop Quilt Shop. Enjoy the day.